Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we decided to groom ourselves for the upcoming New Year. Archie visited barbershop to do his haircut and beard trim. Did you know that in Singapore, the men's haircut cost is ranging from $7 to $12 and for the beard trim is about $5 to $10. If Archie do haircut and beard trim, he pays about $12 in our local barbershop. Here in Bali, Archie paid 100,000 rupiah for both. I also do my nails. This time, I will try Russian manicure with nail gel. Russian manicure is a dry manicure. The technique consists of a very precise cuticle work, using a nail drill and other special equipments to clean and remove excess skin around the nail bed. After our grooming session, we went to eat our lunch. Archie and I ordered healthy bowls and juice. And for the kids, we decided to buy them po on the other cafe because they like soup and rice. We also visited Ubud. It's a plant-based cafe. They serve noodles, burger, pizza, bakery selection, and ice cream. Although the portion is small, prices are affordable. It's a canteen concept with self-service system starting from taking food to cleaning the table. We also pick up our laundry. We took express service. So this is our laundry. For 9 kg, we paid about 126,000 rupiah. It's about 14,000 rupiah per kg. The next day, our children decided to try the swimming pool. Initially, we thought Luchik is not excited to swim. But when we joined him in the pool, we realized that the chemicals they put in the swimming pool is too strong. His skin got irritated. Our son loves to dive and swim with his eyes open. He cannot enjoy swimming because the water irritates his eyes and skin.
How? She's not scared?
Only Adeline enjoys swimming with Archie, but only for a short while. Lunchtime, we decided to eat in Ukrainian-Slavic restaurant. They have vegan option for Archie. I ordered borscht, and for the kids, we ordered hash brown. It's also our first time to try tofu serniki. Our friends also invited us to celebrate New Year in their place. We eat all together and enjoys eating our Russian food. We all went outside to wait for the New Year to come. The kids are so happy with their fireworks. Our friend's neighbor invited us to join them in celebrating New Year. Adeline is scared with the fireworks. It's her first experience to see the fireworks. Luchik is already sleeping, that's why he's not around. The neighbors is also singing karaoke, which is very similar to the Philippines. We also love singing karaoke, and it's always part of the festive gatherings. As the New Year comes, we make a toast to celebrate the new beginnings. May the new year be filled with love, laughter, and memorable moments with families and friends. Cherish the special moments and create beautiful memories. As the new year unfolds, may all you be surrounded with love, surrounded by positivity, and surrounded by the support of those who care about you. Wishing you all good health, happiness, peace, and success in all your endeavors. Thank you for joining us in today's vlog. Take care, God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Here's to a fantastic 2024.